Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Sa'ad Abdullah bin Ahmad Baghdadi has mentioned that his 16-year-old daughter, whose name was Fatima, one day for some purpose she went onto the roof and she disappeared. So he went to Huzur Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu and he explained what happened. And he, rahmatullah alayhi, said that tonight you must go to the jungle in Kharq, and he says where the 5th hillock is, small hill, next to that draw a circle and recite this, Bismillahi ala niyati Abdul Qadir, rahmatullah alayhi. As you can see, he advised you must draw a circle and read this wazifa and sit inside. And he told him that lots of jinns will come and they will come in real terrifying forms, and do not get scared and just stay within the circle and you'll be safe. So he, following upon advice of Huzur Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu, went to this place, made the circle, and he sat inside. And obviously he read the wazifa that Huzur Ghaus Azam asked him to read. And he said all of a sudden he saw the jinns approaching. And he said some of the sights were so fearful, but he remembered Huzur Ghaus Azam's word and he sat in the circle steadfast. So none of the jinns could harm him. And as he sat, the jinns kept going past, kept going past, kept going past. Eventually, the early part of the morning, he sees one jinn mounted on a horse, looking very elegant, surrounded by other jinns, coming towards him. So when this personality came to him, he asked him, "What are you doing here? And what is your need?" So he said that Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani has sent me to you regarding my daughter. And immediately he got out of his horse. With respect, he sat outside the circle. He said, "Tell me, what is your problem?" My daughter disappeared, and Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani said, "You could help me, so therefore I'm here." So this person, who was the king of the jinns, he asked the other jinn that are around him, "Any of you know what happened to his daughter?" So all said no. So all of a sudden, some jinns captured a jinn from China, and he had the daughter with him and brought him in front. And he asked the jinn, "What made you do this kind of act in the dominion and domain of Huzur Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu?" And he was angry with him, and he ordered that this jinn must be killed. And this jinn was killed. And then this person was pleased because his daughter was returned to him. And he said to this king, "I haven't ever seen anything like this before, so many jinns and all this." And then he asked him, "How come I see you obey Huzur Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu very much?" And what he said? He said, without doubt, he said, Huzur Ghaus Azam, while wherever he's sitting from, he can see all the jinns, and even if they're far away, and he has power over all humans and jinns. King of the jinns said, Huzur Ghaus Azam not only sees human beings, but he has the power to see what all the jinns are doing as well. Alhamdulillah.